Are we going? Okay. Hi, everybody. We have this new lovely box for Pro Wrestling Craze. It is the Women of Wrestling. Let's see what we get. Wow, that was just like Snapchat. Okay. All right, let's see what this. Oh, there's 2 t-shirts in here. Is that what you get now? 2 t-shirts? Let's see. First shirt is, I don't know who this is. What does this say? Oh, this is Lita?
Yeah.
Well, first shirt, we get a Lita shirt. It's pretty cool. I like the sugar skull on it. Pretty neat. And it's not black. It's a dark blue. And the second shirt is, what did that say? Rosemary what?
Join the Hive.
Rosemary joined the Hive. I don't know who that is either.
Teenage girl. I don't.
Okay, teenage girl. Okay. So those are the 2 shirts that we got in our box. Then we got a Candice LeRae micro brawler. She has a very floral outfit on. Very floral. Alright, then let's see. Our pin we got.
Let's see.
Tesser is forever. Is what it says.
Tessa Blanchard.
Ah.
We'll see her
Alrighty.
at All In.
And then we got some playing cards. The Queen of Spades.
They're for Shayna Baszler.
Oh, Shayna Baszler. I was like, I didn't see who it was. Oh yeah, she does have spades on her outfit, doesn't she? So Shayna Baszler, playing cards. We got some cool shades.
They're supposed to be
Who are the shades supposed to be?
Dashwoods. Emma.
No, Tanel. That I had to think of what her name was. Tanel. Oh yeah, she does wear shades. Let's see. Bam! Those are pretty snazzy. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. We have In the Ring with Luna Vachon?
Vachon.
Vachon. My bad.
You're fine.
Luna Vachon. Okay, I can't see. Looks like a Playboy poster.
Hey, fuck.
We got a Playboy poster of Barbie.
Kelly.
Ah, it is Kelly. Looking like Barbie.
Or Barbie Blank.
Barbie what?
Blank. B-L-A-N-K.
Barbie Blank. Okay. That's what her name was. Okay. Alright.
I might have to get hung up in the room.
Last but not least, let's see what our autographs are.
It's just one.
Oh, just one? Okay. And we got Vicky Guerrero. Right? It's a pretty nice picture. Oh, yeah. So that is what is in this month's box. Next month, we have Heels Part 2. And they just recently announced that we get an exclusive Marty Scurll shirt in it. So guess who's super excited? This girl right here. Because he's my favorite. Alright, so that's all for this month. Bye!